Before the railroad came, vocabulary. 1 away, meaning not here, far. Sentence. The bird flew away. 2 light, meaning not heavy or bright. Sentence. The bag is light. The sun gives light. 3 never, meaning not ever. Sentence. I never eat spicy food. 4 our, meaning belonging to us. Sentence. This is our school. 5 pretty, meaning nice to look at. Sentence. She has a pretty dress. 6 cattle, meaning cows and bulls. Sentence. The cattle eat grass on the farm. 7 drive, meaning make a car or truck move. Sentence. My dad can drive a car. 8 railroad, meaning tracks for a train. Sentence. The train moves on the railroad. 9 ranch, meaning a big farm with animals. Sentence. Horses live on the ranch.